Hello kids, welcome to the class. So today we are going to learn the topic profit and loss. So basically before understanding the meaning of profit and loss, we need to understand the meaning of two terms. First is CP and another is SP. Now what does CP and SP means? The full form of CP means cost price and the full form of SP means selling price. Okay, so what does cost price means? Cost price means the price at which anybody buy a product or a thing, be it anything. Okay, and selling price, as the name itself says, selling price means the price at which anybody sell a product. Okay, so you have to first understand these two terms. So when there is a difference between the buying price, that is a cost price, and selling price, it leads to profit and loss. Now there will be two scenario. Okay, first scenario, the condition is that the cost price CP is more than SP. That is, you are buying, that is somebody is buying something at, let's say, 10 rupees. Okay, and he is selling it at 5 rupees. So what do you observe? That he is buying at a big price and he is selling at the lower price. So when this happens, it is a loss. Like that, when a selling price is more and cost price is less. So let's say a person buys a product. Buys means cost price. So he is buying at 10 rupees and he is selling at 15 rupees. So what happened? That you are buying at 10 rupees and you are selling at more rupees, that is 15 rupees. That means in this case, he is going to have a profit. So with that, let's see what is the formula for profit and loss. The formula for profit is selling price SP minus cost price CP, and the formula for loss is cost price minus SP. What you have to remember is, first always remember whichever is big will come first. Now it is profit. When does the person have a profit? When the selling price is more. That's why the first number is of selling price. And when does the person have a loss? When the cost price is more. Okay, because when he buys at bigger price and sell at lower price, he have a loss. So that's why here cost price is first, because cost price is bigger than the selling price. So the profit formula is SP minus CP and loss formula is CP minus SP. Now let's check few sums with regards to this. The first question I'll take is, a cost price is given as rupees 100. Okay, and selling price is given as rupees 80. Okay, I'm not writing rupees or anything because I know many people outside India is also watching this video. So just not to confuse you, I'm not writing any rupee or dollar before the number. Okay, just understand the concept. So here now look what you observe. Cost price and selling price. Here cost price you observe is 100 and selling price over here you observe is 80. So what you observe, 100 is bigger than 80. So CP is more than SP. And what happens when cost price is more than selling price? Very good, there is a loss. So we are going to apply the formula of loss, which is cost price minus selling price. What is cost price? 100. And what is selling price? 80. So 100 minus 80 gives you 20. So how much is the loss? 20. So whichever currency will be mentioned in your question, you have to write it before this number. Okay, if it is rupees, you will write rupees 20. If it is dollar, you will write $20. If it is pound, you will write 20 pound, whatever it is. Okay, you just have to understand the concept right now. Okay, that's why I'm avoiding writing the currency. Okay, so this is how you find the loss. I'll take one more sum. Let's take another question where CP, that is cost price, is 120 and SP over here is 150. Okay, so now let's compare cost price and selling price. Cost price is 120 and selling price is 150. That means selling price is bigger than cost price. So what you observe? Since selling price is more than cost price, what do you think, will it be a profit or a loss? Very good, it will be a profit. So you have to apply the formula of profit. Profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. Selling price is 150 and cost price is 120. 150 minus 120 gives you 30. Please don't forget to mention whichever currency it will be in your question. Okay. So your profit over here will be 30. So I hope you are understanding this. If yes, then do subscribe to my channel. Meet you in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye bye.